Ladies, in today's video, I am not going to be switching my shoes. I have filmed this video for Instagram. That is where I partner with this company, and I thought I should bring this to my viewers on YouTube as well, because some people, they don't use Instagram. Welcome back, ladies. How you are doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you. Don't forget that my mission, my purpose on this channel, it's about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. In as much as we don't want to break the bank, at the same time we still want to buy something that will last us for a while. Some people might not be able to balance that out. They might think that, how is that possible for you to buy something that are not very expensive and it's going to last you? Don't forget, expensive is not equal to quality, if you get what I mean. So we're going to be starting with the first outfit, which is this square neck ruffle dress. It has this detailing at the front of it, which are pearls bedazzled. I love it. And at the back, you can also adjust the strap to fit you, to fit your shoulder strap. And this is at the ruffle detailings at the front. At the neck also we have a little bit of that detailing at the side of the dress. It has zip at the back, and also the most amazing thing is that it's lined from the bottom to the down of the dress. They do have this dress in size small to extra large, and they have it in two colors. They have it in black, also in white. The next outfit is going to be this elegant ruffle hem dress. Oh my god, this dress is absolutely beautiful. Let me get up to show you, ladies. I just want you to see how beautiful this dress is. Look at the ruffle detailings at the bottom, and it also has a zip at the back. Also, it is lined from the upper part to the bottom part. It's really beautiful. Look at that. It has this detailing at the front. It does not have any strap to adjust. That's how the strap is. It's not like the first one, but I really love it. It's a good quality. I love the way it felt on my body. I chose size medium again in this one. The sizes of this dress range from extra small to extra large. Also, they have it in red, they have it in white, also in black.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one.
With the third outfit, I'm going to call it 3-in-1. The reason why I said this outfit is 3-in-1 is because it has a scarf, also gloves that came with it. This is absolutely beautiful. I really love this third one too. I just love the fit on my body and the way it feels. For the fact that it came with all I mentioned, it's just a plus. This is why I call this a dressy Valentine outfit idea featuring this company. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the gloves first before we move ahead to the remaining part of this piece. Look at the gloves are here. They are very long up onto the side, so sleek, so elegant. You can even use this to style any of the outfit. And here is the scarf, very long, which I can use to restyle this outfit in so many ways. All right, and this is the style of the show. This is the front of the dress. Look at that. It has that ruche at the front, and it's a bodycon. No zip anywhere, but it does have a slit at the back.
So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on.
Please do endeavor to share with your friends and family. You never can tell. Maybe they will find this video entertaining, informative, or educative. You never can tell. And the last one is the pajama sets, which you are going to need if you're going to go hang out, going to go to that your boyfriend's house, or your on Valentine's Day. You might wear something that is more sexier than this, but ladies, I just want to let you know that these pajamas are so comfortable. I chose size medium too because I really want them to be very comfortable on me. I don't even want my pajamas to be tight. So, and it has this elastic band on the waist. it's all the way down. It fits perfectly. I absolutely love it, and I love the weight on my body as well. And this is the shirt. The pant has functioning pockets on the side. Yes, they do have, I don't want to leave that out, they have 2 pockets on the side, which are very, very, very functioning. We have the shirts, it has button at the front and this pocket as well. It's as simple as that. To be honest, these are very, very comfortable. Very, 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 very. Maybe because I chose size medium, but look at it, they still look real good on me. The pant is all the way down, and yeah, I love it. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to leave me comments in the comment section, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, and let me know your thoughts as well about this video. Please do endeavor to share with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find this video entertaining, informative, or educative. You never can tell. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.